Can you imagine having to roll a boulder up a hill every day of your life for all eternity?
Yes, that is the rhythm that you need to discover within yourself, within existentialism. Now that...
What's most impactful to me is to see the students staying around after class, after lectures, tutorials. They want to take the discussion further, and to know that it's making an impact in their lives, making a change, even though we don't know where they're going to end up, we don't know what's ahead for them, to know that it's making a difference.
The aha moment for me is when I can use these objects, like the boulder, or the wizard's hat, or this squeezy happy face ball, to teach, because these objects become learning objects for the students, and they come back and say, hey, when I saw you do that, we really got it.
Well, let's give Professor Chua a hand as he struggles with that. Great job, everybody. And I saw some of you helped. Oh no.